All right, guys, let's take a look at the crypto markets on this Sunday. We got some good pumpers. A lot of coins we've been talking about, at least one in particular. Theta was at $2.45 last night. Let's see where it is right now. Where's old Theta? Oh my God, 252. You know, it's funny. I make these videos. I don't really even look a lot of times. Like, I'll look the night before and then I'll just like, oh, I got to make a video. And then I have no idea what's going on. So a lot of times when I look at these numbers, I'm actually kind of surprised. You know, sometimes they're higher, sometimes they're lower. But Theta's going absolutely crazy, just like we've been talking about on this channel. You know, it's funny. I always told you one way you can tell you're at a top on the market and one way you can tell that we're going into a positive market is when people in your family start reaching out to you and they start talking about crypto. I was at the bar last night with my friend after I worked a case, and I'm getting like text bombed by my cousins. I don't know. I told you guys like a couple years ago I got my cousins into crypto, but they haven't really even talked about crypto in the last 2 years. Like every so often I'll send them a text, oh, you know, Bitcoin's doing this or Theta's doing this. But last night I got the text bombardments. Should I be selling my Theta? How do I cash out? What's the price target? And I have, quite frankly, have not heard anything crypto related from them in at least a year and a half, possibly 2 years. So that's how you know we're going into crypto. The sentiment, or excuse me, we're going into a bullish market. The sentiment is changing, and obviously they're hearing about crypto in their circles. Maybe their cab driver, maybe my cousin was at her hairstylist and her hairstylist was talking about it. But obviously they're hearing about it somewhere and they're getting excited. So I basically told them last night the same thing I've been telling you guys. We're not going to be selling anything unless you bought like MicroStrategy stock or Solana or something like that. We're not going to be selling anything until the summer. And they're like, okay, well, just keep me posted. So that's what's going on there. Really interesting. I honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I don't start getting messages from some of my friends who haven't talked about crypto in over a couple years. So everything looking great. You got Theta pumping hard. Cardano, we did the live stream a couple days ago. Cardano was at 75. Now we're back down to 72. A little bit of a pullback, which I think is healthy. I think Cardano is probably going to be at $1 within the next month or two. But, you know, this is crypto. Anything can happen. XRP above 60 cents. And if you notice that Solana, while Solana's had extremely good gains over the last couple months, it's really just not doing all that much. As other coins catch up, as Theta catches up to Solana, just in pumpage. Because we always say on this channel, not all coins pump at the same time. Dogecoin, which was like, what, 7 cents a week ago or 2 weeks ago or whatever it was at 14 cents last night. We're pretty much at 14 cents right now. Like, they don't all pump at the same time, and that's why you don't want to chase. All right, let's go over a few news articles as we always do. Oh, first I want to look at the meme coins. If you guys look at this meme coin chart, the meme coins have been pumping absolutely crazy, so I don't know if that doesn't mean we're going to have a pullback. I have no freaking idea, but as you can see right here, Dogecoin is up 60%. This is a high cap coin right here, Dogecoin. This isn't a Pepe. This is a high cap crypto, right? In the top 8 or 10 or whatever it is, it's up 60% in 7 days. And as you can see, a lot of these other meme coins are up over 100%. Bonk up 100%. Floki up almost 300%. Pepe up almost 300%. Snek up almost 82%, up to 17. So we were talking about Snek on this channel, begging people to buy it last week when it was what, like 10 or something like that, 9 or 10, something like that. So anyway, in a nutshell, all these meme coins are going crazy. So does that mean a pullback is coming? I have no freaking idea. Probably, but maybe not till after the halving. All right, what else we got going on? Theta. All the articles are coming out on Theta, like they always do when things start pumping. Theta token gained 135% in the last month and is predicted to reach 240 by March 8th. Well, this article came out yesterday, and now we're at 255. So I guess they were technically right, because by March 8th, and here we are at 255. Guys, if you go back and watch my videos, my first video I ever made, the first couple, talking about how Theta is going to be the #1 performer in my portfolio, and it could be in yours going into the next bull market. Are you starting to see it now? Are you starting to see it when a coin like Theta was 70 cents just a month ago and now we're pushing $3? This is a big cap, good quality project. This isn't a Pepe where, you know, if the founder farts and the thing pumps up, yeah, it pumps up hard, couple 100%, then dumps right back down. This is a real project that you can invest in the bear market and now hold and just sell in a bull market, and you're confident you're not going to get rug pulled. Pepe, you might get rug pulled. Even SNEC, you might get rug pulled. Theta is up there with Litecoin, where it's a good quality project and it's going to pump super, super hard. So they're calling for a 240, which we already hit. So we've already superseded their article of 240. Cardano achieves a breakout. Could $1.2 be the next stop for Cardano? Well, it's got to hit $1 first. As you guys know, I did my live stream a couple days ago. Cardano was pumping. It went from like 67 cents all the way up to 76 cents. It pumped 10 cents in 1 hour or 2 hours. Guys, are you starting to see it? Are you starting to feel it? Are you starting to see what I've been talking about on this channel for the last 2 years? Cardano investors have waited for this moment for almost 3 months now. 3 months? You mean like 2 fucking years. The 70-cent resistance, which also marked an 80-day range high, was finally breached. The buying volume has been good as Bitcoin price stays above 60. Where is Cardano going to go next? Well, I mean, 80 cents. I mean, look, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but the positive thing about these coins pumping right now is that once they start pumping, the momentum, the hype comes into the market. So you're seeing all the positive articles about Theta and Cardano. As long as Bitcoin just hangs out above 60,000, which it is, 62,191 right now, you're going to see these altcoins keep pumping at least up until the halvening. Then we might have a pullback after the halvening. And Dogecoin as well. Is Dogecoin only getting started? Its big rally after 70% weekly gains. Dogecoin whales have been actively increasing their Doge holdings ahead of the anticipated April Bitcoin halvening. Dogecoin, 14 cents, has experienced a significant surge of approximately 70% this week, fueled by a bullish trend across the cryptocurrency market. This momentum hints at future potential for gains in March, owing to a mix of technical and fundamental indicators. Of course. And you know Dogecoin's eventually going to get some sort of Elon Musk pump where it's going to pump fucking 300% in one day. Elon Musk is going to be like, I'm unveiling my new $25,000 Tesla, and if you pay by Dogecoin, we'll take 10% off. Something stupid like that. But he's going to be pumping it. I mean, the guy freaking, when he bought Twitter, he made Dogecoin the emblem for like a week. Or the Dogecoin dog, the emblem. So, of course, there's going to be a big Dogecoin pump as we go into this bull market. Been talking about MicroStrategy stock for, I don't know, the last year. We bought it like $150. It's over $1,000 right now. I am probably selling 20-30% of my MicroStrategy stock on Monday. Monday. Oh, yes, Monday. But, guys, this goes to show, like, if you invest in the Bitcoin-related stocks, you'll do far better than investing in Bitcoin because MicroStrategy and Coinbase have been killing it. So congratulations to everybody who bought MicroStrategy with me. We have made a lot of money. Litecoin price surges by 8%. Is $100 the next target for Litecoin? Another coin that's been pumping. Litecoin was $68 about a week ago. Okay. Now Litecoin, it hit $94 last night. Now we're back to like 91 or 92 or something like that. That's a pretty good pump, guys. 40-50% pump, 60% pump. I told you guys, you just got to be patient with Litecoin. Don't follow the pumps. Litecoin's going to do just fine. Yes, Litecoin will be $100 before you know it. Then you're going to see even more positive articles come in. I'm going to stick by it. Litecoin hit a high of, I think, $400 last bull market. And then the previous bull market, when I first got into crypto in 2017, Litecoin hit a high of $250. So 2017, 250 high. 2021, 2022, it hit a 400 high. What's the high going to be this bull run? Minimally $500. Minimally $500. I'll probably sell half of my Litecoin at $400, and then I'll do my whole stop loss game slowly going up, but probably for Litecoin between $500 and $800 is my target for it's high. Now, yeah, of course, Litecoin doesn't pump as fast as Cardano and doesn't pump as hard as Solana and a lot of other coins like that, but it's a steady gainer and you can't shit on it. You cannot shit on it. All right, so a lot of people are thinking that, you know, tomorrow as the stock market opens up, ETF flow comes back in, we're going to get another pump in Bitcoin. That's very possible. I'm trying to keep out of the daily price prediction game because I have no fucking idea. But all I know for sure is as long as Bitcoin hangs out above $61,000 in this range, just holds, you're going to see a lot of that money, a lot of that confidence, a lot of that dominance come out of Bitcoin and go into a lot of these altcoins. So the big news will be what happens tomorrow. We shall see. But guys, everything's looking great. All the coins we've been talking about are getting their pumps. They're getting their dues. Theta, Cardano, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Vulcan Forge is almost up to $9. MicroStrategy over $1,000. VeChain 5 cents or just under 5 cents. Everything's looking incredible. Will we get a big pullback this week? Maybe. But, you know, even if we do get a 20% pullback or a 30% pullback, you just can't be discouraged. That would be the time to buy some more projects that you didn't accumulate in the bear market. We are in a bull market right now. Bitcoin is $5,000 from its all-time high. Altcoins are approaching, you know, almost all the altcoins are at least at their yearly high over the last 12 months. So if you're holding out, I don't know what the hell you're holding out for, but yeah, if you got money on the side, just wait for some small dumps and accumulate. And by the end of the summer, we're all going to cash out. I really enjoy doing the live streams. I would like to get on more of a steady schedule for doing live streams. So I'm going to work on doing that. Maybe I'll even do like live streams instead of making these videos. Like I'll just have my like little news articles out and I'll go over the news articles. And then by the time I'm done reading all the news articles, if there's any questions on the live stream, then I can answer those questions, talk to you guys, and then just basically call it quits. So actually, that would actually work out because if I do a live stream, just like I'm doing right now, but it's not live, I do all my shit, you know, my little spiel for 10 minutes. And then if there's nobody asking any questions, I'll just close up shop. But if I have people asking questions, I might hang on for like 10, 15 minutes. And another thing cool about that, the live stream, is then it just automatically uploads like to YouTube. So it actually does everything for you. It's actually almost easier to do a live stream. So I might be doing that instead of just making these videos. I don't know. It just depends on my schedule. But we'll figure it out. But yeah, guys, everything's looking freaking amazing. Congratulations to everybody making money. And hopefully in the next 6 months, you know, we're gonna start to cash out and ride off into the sunset. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.